Magic of Faith by Joseph Murphy. Magic of Faith is a book written by Joseph Murphy, a renowned author in the field of self-help and personal development. In this book, Murphy explores the power of faith and how it can positively impact various aspects of our lives, including health, relationships, and success. He delves into the concept that faith is not just a religious belief, but a mental attitude that can be cultivated and utilized to achieve one's goals and overcome obstacles. Through anecdotes, examples, and practical advice, Murphy guides readers on how to harness the power of faith to manifest their desires and live a more fulfilling life. The book emphasizes the importance of positive thinking, affirmations, and visualization techniques in strengthening one's faith and attracting positive outcomes. It also addresses common misconceptions about faith and offers insights into how to overcome doubt and fear. Overall, Magic of Faith serves as a guide for readers seeking to tap into the transformative power of faith to create the life they desire. Here are some key points from the book. The power of belief is a concept that suggests our beliefs have a profound influence on our thoughts, behaviors, and outcomes in life. Here are some key aspects of the power of belief. Self-fulfilling prophecy. Believing in something strongly enough can lead to behaviors and actions that make that belief a reality. For example, if someone believes they are capable of achieving a goal, they are more likely to take the necessary steps to make it happen. Positive versus negative beliefs. Positive beliefs can empower individuals and propel them towards success, while negative beliefs can hold them back and create self-imposed limitations. It's important to cultivate positive beliefs that align with our goals and aspirations. Mindset. Beliefs shape our mindset, which in turn influences how we perceive and respond to the world around us. A growth mindset, characterized by a belief in one's ability to learn and grow, can lead to resilience and perseverance in the face of challenges. Impact on health and well-being. Research has shown that our beliefs and attitudes can impact our physical and mental health. Positive beliefs can boost immune function, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being, while negative beliefs can contribute to anxiety, depression, and other health issues. The law of attraction. The concept of the law of attraction suggests that like attracts like, meaning our beliefs and thoughts can attract corresponding experiences into our lives. By maintaining positive beliefs and focusing on what we want to manifest, we can attract positive outcomes and opportunities. Overall, the power of belief highlights the importance of cultivating empowering beliefs that support our goals and aspirations. By harnessing the power of belief, we can unlock our full potential and create the life we desire. Positive thinking is a mental attitude characterized by optimism and a focus on constructive and hopeful thoughts. Here are some key aspects of positive thinking. Optimism. Positive thinking involves maintaining an optimistic outlook, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. It's about looking for the silver lining in every situation and believing that things will work out for the best. Resilience. Positive thinking helps build resilience, allowing individuals to bounce back from adversity more easily. Instead of dwelling on failures or setbacks, positive thinkers see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Self-empowerment. Positive thinking empowers individuals to take control of their lives and make positive changes. By focusing on solutions rather than problems, positive thinkers are more likely to take proactive steps toward achieving their goals. Health benefits. Research has shown that positive thinking can have numerous health benefits, including reduced stress, improved immune function, lower rates of depression, and even increased longevity. Law of attraction. Positive thinking is closely associated with the law of attraction, which suggests that positive thoughts and beliefs can attract positive experiences and outcomes into one's life. By maintaining a positive mindset, individuals can align themselves with the energy of abundance and success. Overall, positive thinking is a powerful mindset that can enhance well-being, improve resilience, and attract positive outcomes. It's not about ignoring reality or denying challenges, but rather choosing to focus on the potential for growth and positive change in any situation. Affirmations and visualization are powerful techniques used to reinforce positive beliefs, align the subconscious mind with desired outcomes, and manifest goals into reality. Here's a breakdown of each. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements or phrases that are repeated regularly to reinforce a desired belief or outcome. They are typically stated in the present tense, and are personalized to reflect specific goals or intentions. For example, someone seeking to boost their confidence might repeat affirmations such as, "I am confident and capable," or "I believe in myself completely." Purpose. Affirmations work by reprogramming the subconscious mind to accept positive beliefs and attitudes. By consistently repeating affirmations, individuals can overcome negative self-talk and internalize empowering thoughts and beliefs. Techniques. Affirmations can be spoken aloud, written down, or repeated silently in the mind. The key is consistency and repetition, ideally incorporating affirmations into daily routines such as morning rituals or before bedtime. Visualization. Visualization involves mentally imagining or picturing a desired outcome or goal as if it has already been achieved. It's about creating vivid mental images that evoke the emotions and sensations associated with success. For example, someone preparing for a job interview might visualize themselves confidently answering questions, receiving positive feedback, and ultimately getting the job offer. Purpose. Visualization taps into the power of the subconscious mind to create a blueprint for success. By repeatedly visualizing a desired outcome, individuals program their minds to focus on opportunities that align with their goals and take inspired action towards achieving them. Techniques. Visualization can be practiced through guided imagery exercises, meditation, or simply by closing one's eyes and mentally rehearsing the desired scenario. It's important to engage all the senses and immerse oneself fully in the visualization experience. Combining affirmations and visualization can amplify their effectiveness, as they work synergistically to reinforce positive beliefs and imprint desired outcomes into the subconscious mind. By incorporating these techniques into daily practice, individuals can harness the power of their thoughts and beliefs to create meaningful change in their lives. Overcoming doubt and fear is essential for personal growth and achieving success. Here are some strategies to tackle doubt and fear effectively. Awareness. The first step in overcoming doubt and fear is to recognize when they arise. Pay attention to the thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations associated with doubt and fear. Awareness allows you to acknowledge these emotions without being overwhelmed by them. Challenge negative thoughts. Question the validity of your doubts and fears. Are they based on facts or assumptions? Challenge negative self-talk by replacing it with more rational and positive thoughts. For example, if you doubt your abilities, remind yourself of past successes and strengths. Take action. Action is a powerful antidote to doubt and fear. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and take incremental steps towards achieving them. Each small success builds confidence and reduces doubt and fear. Seek support. Share your doubts and fears with trusted friends, family members, or mentors. Talking about your concerns can provide perspective and support and help you realize that you are not alone in your struggles. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and compassionate towards yourself, especially when facing doubt and fear. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend in a similar situation. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes and experience setbacks. Visualize success. Use visualization techniques to imagine yourself overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. Visualize a positive outcome in vivid detail, including how it feels, looks, and sounds. This can help reduce fear and increase confidence in your abilities. Embrace failure as learning. Understand that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of viewing failure as evidence of incompetence, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Each failure brings valuable lessons that can propel you towards success. Practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Mindfulness helps you stay present in the moment and cultivate a sense of inner peace, making it easier to face doubt and fear with clarity and resilience. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can gradually diminish the grip of doubt and fear on your life and move forward with confidence and courage towards your goals. Remember that overcoming doubt and fear is a journey, and it's okay to seek support and guidance along the way. The role of prayer varies greatly depending on individual beliefs and religious traditions, but here are some common themes and purposes associated with prayer. Communication with a higher power. For many people, prayer serves as a means of connecting with a higher power, whether it be God, the universe, or a spiritual force. Prayer is seen as a way to communicate one's hopes, fears, gratitude, and requests for guidance or assistance. Seeking guidance and wisdom. Prayer is often used as a tool for seeking guidance and wisdom in times of uncertainty or decision-making. By expressing their concerns and asking for clarity, individuals hope to receive insights or answers that will help them navigate life's challenges. Expressing gratitude. Prayer can be a way of expressing gratitude for blessings, opportunities, and the abundance in one's life. Taking time to acknowledge and appreciate the good things can cultivate a sense of contentment and humility. Requesting healing and support. Many people turn to prayer when they or their loved ones are facing illness, adversity, or hardship. Prayer is seen as a way to request healing, comfort, and support from a higher power, as well as from a community of believers. Finding strength and comfort. Prayer can provide solace and comfort in times of grief, sadness, or despair. By turning to prayer, individuals may find strength, courage, and peace to cope with difficult emotions and experiences. Promoting unity and connection. In religious communities, prayer often serves as a unifying practice that brings people together in shared beliefs and values. Group prayer fosters a sense of community and solidarity as individuals come together to worship, celebrate, and support one another. Fostering spiritual growth. Prayer is considered a spiritual discipline that helps individuals deepen their relationship with a higher power and cultivate virtues such as faith, humility, compassion, and forgiveness. Through regular prayer practice, individuals may experience spiritual growth and transformation. It's important to note that the role of prayer can be deeply personal and subjective, influenced by cultural, religious, and individual factors. Regardless of specific beliefs, prayer is often viewed as a deeply meaningful and sacred practice that serves multiple purposes in the lives of those who engage in it. Overall, Magic of Faith offers practical insights and techniques for harnessing the power of faith to achieve success, happiness, and fulfillment in life. It serves as a guide for individuals seeking to tap into their inner resources and create positive change through the power of belief.